Hello everyone, welcome to the CRM Carpenters, and we are now back in our tutorial series in Zoho Analytics. And today we're going to import or create a data source from different applications. Now there are various of available applications that are connected with Zoho Analytics, but for today we're going to select a data source from another application from Zoho. It's the Zoho Creator, where different applications are made, and we will now go inside the Zoho Creator. And first is give your workspace a name, sales report, and select the application. Since we only have one application in our creator, we will choose the sales report and select the form we will be using in creating a new report in analytics, and then click the fields that we will only use to create a report. So after checking all the fields, under it we will select how often we will sync the data from the Zoho Creator. So we will set it for daily and at 8 a.m. in the morning. Time zone is Singapore or Asian time zone, GMT 8. And select create. So after completing the import from Zoho Creator, it will take some time, just a couple of minutes to complete the process of importing from the creator. So after the successful import from the data source we get from the Zoho Creator, here we are with a report that contains all the data we have gathered from the Zoho Creator. So here are the columns. Most importantly, the product, sales agent, deal stage, engage date, close value, and account. So to create a dashboard, we will going to select this plus button and select new dashboard, and just by drag and dropping the report here in the design area, we'll now have the report, and by selecting this button fill, it will expand, and we can stretch this out to have a better look. And now in creating a dashboard, we will be needing to create a widget to collect all the total values of close value in the past year or this year's total close value. So in the data column, we will select the close value and sum, and we will need to have a filter for it, a date filter actually, and we will drag the close date and drop it in here. And to filter it out by this year, we will select this and select relative and go to year tab and select this year. Select apply, and there you have it, the total close value for this year's sales. And next one is the widget for the top product for this year's. Select the close value to get the total value for we will group it by the product, so we can get the top products of the close value, and select maximum and filter it by this year. Select the close date and drop here in the filter. Select relative, year tab, and select this year and apply. You can position with the alignment to the total close value. So here is the top product for this year. We can then rename the label for every widget we are creating. So in here, we can just select the label, highlight it, and change it to this year's total. We can put it like this year's total sales, and apply. And we can also edit the name of this. This year's. Remove this operation and change it by this year's top product, and select apply. And next widget is the top agent. Select close value again, and the sales agent for the group. Select maximum for the primary value, so it will get the highest close value for the sales agent, and rename it by changing the dollar operations to top agent. This year's top agent. And of course, the date filter for it. Select the close date and select relative year tab and this year. So we have now our dashboard. So to get the update from the data creator, we will need to sync. So find the data source and we will sync it. But for now, we have no changes yet in our Zoho Creator app. So once we have an update or a new report from the data creator, we will select this sync now, and it will automatically sync the data from the Zoho Creator down to the Zoho Analytics dashboard. And then we also have a scheduled sync for the data. So whenever we set the scheduled time for the sync, May 22, it's tomorrow at 8 a.m. It will automatically sync. So when whatever update we had in the Zoho Creator, it will automatically sync at the scheduled time we have set. And here in the edit setup, you can reschedule the sync time for your dashboard and click save to update your schedule time. So as for now, we have these total numbers in our dashboard, but after updating it, if there was an update in Zoho Creator, we will sync it. So we are now bringing you to our Zoho Creator app, where we will update a record. For example, we will edit this one with the deal stage of prospecting. We will edit it now as 1. So we have 1 the sales, and let's say, for example, the engage date is yesterday and the close date is today, with a close value of 20,000. And let's update this, and we will now sync in the Zoho Analytics if the total value will be updated. Let's go to the Zoho Analytics and sync it now manually. Now we will click the sync now to manually sync the data from the Zoho Creator. So the status would be sync in progress, and we will wait for a couple of minutes only. So after the data sync is successful, we will check it to our dashboard. Go to Explorer and select the new dashboard we have created, and you can see that this year's top product is changed from GTX to GTX Plus Pro. Now we will check it in the Zoho Creator app if it has the same value in our Zoho Analytics to the Zoho Creator app. So the product is GTX Plus Pro, and we will check the product contains GTX Plus Pro, and we will filter it by this year and check the summary. If it has the same value, 67,560, and in the Zoho Analytics is 67,560. So that is a successful sync. That's how easy you will collect data from the Zoho Creator and make a dashboard, create a widget, and manual sync it or sync it by schedule time. So that's it. That's how you create a dashboard and report from different applications. Thank you for watching, and see you to our next videos.